Hello everyone. In today's videos, we will be discussing the top 5 best cheap 3D printers for 2025 available on the market. The list has been curated based on features, prices, quality, durability, and the reputation of the manufacturers. If you are looking for an affordable and reliable best cheap 3D printers for 2025, this video will guide you through some great options. Number 1. Creality Ender-3 S1 Pro. Creality's Ender series of 3D printers has long been a favorite of aficionados and newcomers alike, thanks to the model's inexpensive open frames and ease of use. The latest addition to the Ender line is the $479 Ender-3 S1 Pro, an impressive 3D printer that supports high-temperature printing, which led to some striking-looking prints with intricate detail in testing. And unlike the Ender-3 V2, setting up the S1 Pro was a breeze, since most of the machine comes pre-assembled. The Ender-3 S1 Pro is a welcome addition to the 3D printer middle ground, sure to satisfy both 3D printing newbies and experienced creators looking for an affordable printer. Number 2. Elegoo Neptune 4 Plus. The Elegoo Neptune 4 Plus can produce exceptionally large prints for a sub-$500 3D printer, and in our extensive testing managed to produce generally very good quality objects with minimal problems. Assembly is required but straightforward. The strengths of the Neptune 4 Plus make it easy to recommend as an editor's choice-winning budget 3D printer for hobbyists, as well as an excellent option for beginners who are willing to roll up their sleeves. Just be sure to buy a filament spool or two when you purchase the printer, or buy it as part of a bundle, as the base model doesn't include any filament. Number 3. Toybox 3D Printer. The Toybox 3D Printer, a budget 3D printer geared to children, delivers on its name. It generates lots of little playthings with ease. It offers reliable one-touch printing of simple objects from an iOS or Android device or a web browser, with solid print quality and no misprints in our testing. The Toybox lets you choose among more than 2,000 printable objects or projects, or you can import 3D files created elsewhere. You can even draw objects to be printed. Its most substantial shortfall is its tiny print area, but in printing objects from the Toybox catalog, that's not a limiting factor. This rare 3D printer, rare because it's closer to foolproof than most, earns an Editor's Choice Award for basic budget 3D printing. Plus, we've seen the bundles heavily discounted sold directly from Toybox. Number 4. Longer LK5 Pro 3D Printer. Achieve superior stability with the LK5 Pro 3D printer's sturdy triangular structure. The reinforced inclined rods minimize errors from resonance, ensuring high precision and durability. Ideal for home DIY projects and school use, especially with FDM technology. Unlock boundless creativity with longer LK5 Pro 3D printer, featuring a maximum build size of 11.8 inches by 11.8 inches by 15.7 inches, 300 by 300 by 400 millimeters. Enjoy a larger canvas for your 3D printing projects, providing more room for innovation. This printer is designed to be compatible with a variety of printing materials, ensuring it meets the diverse needs of your 3D printing endeavors. Immerse yourself in the advanced features of the longer LK5 Pro 3D printer. Equipped with powerful firmware, it achieves remarkable 180 mm per second high-speed printing, surpassing industry standards. The X and Y axis automatic calibration technology minimizes vibrations to the maximum extent, ensuring an impressive 0.1 mm precision in your prints. The LK5 Pro 3D printer, with its upgraded 32-bit mainboard, ensures improved print quality. It features sensors for filament and power detection, intelligently pausing printing in case of depletion or unexpected power outage. Upon power restoration, it resumes printing from the last position, saving time and reducing material waste. Number 5. Creality Ender-3 V3 SE 3D Printer. Ender-3 V3 SE 3D printer can print at up to 250 mm per second speed with 2500 mm/s superscript 2 acceleration, faster than Ender-3, Ender-3 V2, Ender-3 Pro, Ender-3 Neo, Ender-3 V2 Neo, Ender-3 S1, Ender-3 S1 Pro, etc. You can complete models efficiently, saving time to wait for print jobs. Moreover, it can keep good printing quality at the same time. The optimized UI uses motion graphics to display the leveling process and other parameters, so you will know how the printer is doing at a glance, providing you a perfect printing experience. Creality Ender-3 V3 S1 3D printer is easy to put together in 3 steps within about 20 minutes only. It equips CR Touch for auto leveling and strain sensor for auto Z offset. It is easy to get a perfect first layer. Leveling is the important process before printing. It usually makes customers in trouble. This 3D printer saves 73% of the time compared with other printers and easily start to print, which is friendly to all of customers including the beginners. The Sprite Direct Extruder of Ender-3 V3 SE enables smooth feeding of various filaments, including PLA, PTG, and TPU. And the extruder is market proven for its reliability, as over 500,000 units have been shipped worldwide.